Hello, today I will show you how to resume flare printing. Once your 3D printer's filament is out of feed, my filament is very fragile because my filament is exposure very long time out of the air, so the filament is out of the date. So it's easy to broken when feeding the feed. So once your filament is cannot feed correctly to your printers, your printing will be failure. But if you don't want to waste the button or waste the half or 1/3 of your printing, you can reseal it. But how to do it? First, you need to know how height of your model now, and we can use the caliper to measure it, the length for the model. If without caliper, that data measure cannot accurate. So please use the caliper, and you can measure it around 4 or 5 points for the model to get the date for your failure model. And after we measure the height for the failure model, we get around 4 data for the height. It's 50, 50.2, 14.7, 14.8. We can choose the 15 as the middle data, and we need to know that if the first layer height is 0.3 millimeters, so we can calculate the layer for 7. You can use this formula. The height minus the first layers, then dividend your each layer's height. We can pick up your SD card to fetch the G code out. As we can see here, this is the G code. We can find this. The first layer is layer 0. You can find that layer 0 will have this first layer for 0.3, and then each layer will layer 2 millimeters. This layer, you can check your curve setting for each layer. As you see here, the layer height is 0.2. So we can divide it to the 74 layer to find how is that height is 50.1. And as we want to resume it, we want to